thing that's really exciting about access to the internet and students having computers is the ability to make short videos for them to help them to understand processes or concepts. So a tool you might want to use is something that would do screencasting. Like on a Mac, you could use QuickTime, or you could use Screencast-O-Matic, which is web-based, or maybe you could use Snagit to record your screen. But you know what you would really like to interject with that is your face. Don't forget you're the teacher. Having a video of just the screencast, that's okay, but in some ways, try to alternate yourself with the screencast. Put a little bit of your own personality into the video. One trick to do this is to do a Google Hangout on air by yourself. That's right, by yourself. I know you look weird talking to yourself, but you are allowed to toggle the screen sharing with the video recording of yourself. So it's just a really quick and easy way to get yourself into the video. So don't forget that you do need to do it on air so that it does broadcast directly to YouTube. But quick and easy way to get a screencast with your face and a fun tool to use.